Hello everyone, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for visiting today. I hope you are well. This is the card I have to share with you. It is a very simple ink swatch card and it's basically a one layer card though I have added a few little sequins for some extra bling. Now the colours I used on this card are Pool Party, Coastal Cabana, Lost Lagoon and Pretty Peacock. I'm going to do a different colourway for the next card. We're going to do Bubble Bath, Petunia Pop, Berry Burst and Blackberry Bliss. Stamp set we're going to use is this one here called Friends for Life, and we're going to use this little ink swatch and the Best Wishes. So let's start off with our lightest colour, which is Bubble Bath. Ink this up really well, and I'm just going to take this here, hold that in place, give it a good ink up, and I'm just doing second and third generation stamping. You can't see that so well, so I'm going to ink it up again, and then there we go. You can see we've got another generation there. Then we're going to go in with our Petunia Pop, and this is quite a strong colour, so I'm actually going to stamp off first and then going to go in and do my 3 stamping just like that, and I will start to even out a bit. If you're worried, you can go in again and just, this is a clear stamp, just hold that in place and deepen the colour as you go. Okay, but it will smooth out if you're worried. I'm going to go on to my Berry Burst, and just going to do that again down, and this is a really deep colour, and there we have our ink swatch, as you can see. So gonna close all of this up. Now I will give my little stamp, I should say, clean. I'm going to bring in my Best Wishes. I'm going to use my ink pad here, my paper to get it straight, and then we're going to use Blackberry Bliss, and just going to ink this up. Make sure it's nice and inked up. And then I'm going to decide where I want this to go. I think around here will be fine. Just make sure everything is as straight as possible. I'm just going to hold that. There we go. Best. And definitely want to clean up from Blackberry Bliss, it gets everywhere. And then we've got the Wishes here, and again I'm going to use my grid paper to line everything up, ink that up nicely, and then there we go, Best Wishes, ink, clean that up. Okay, move that aside, and then I'm going to bring in another stamp set here called Inspiring Snapdragons, and I just want these splatters here. So I'm going to actually look for a smaller block. This will do, and we're going to just splatter in some of the same colours we have in the background. think I'm going to go for some bubble bath initially. I'm just changing the orientation of the stamp. I'm just randomly stamping. Okay, and then I'm going to go and we'll think some berry burst. Give a real pop of colour. Now you can see I do go off the page. It makes it look more natural. I think enough is as good as a feast. Sometimes it's difficult to know when to stop, as you can tell. And I think I will stop there before I overdo it. And I think that's going to be enough. So that is all of our ink pads finished. I did clear that, didn't I? I think I did. Anyway, let's stick this down to our card base. Now our card base is berry burst, the standard A6 card base, an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And look how that just makes it all come to life. So you can see here at the back my first attempt, I wasn't totally happy, so I turned it over, tried again. These things happen. That's why cardstock has two sides. As I always say, gives you a second chance. Always good to have a second chance. Now I've got a piece of basic white, measures the same as the front, and we're just going to stick this on the inside for our insert. There we go. Lovely. And now finishing touches, we're going to use some of these adhesive backed sequins trio. It's the same as we used for our other card. And I've got a bit of glue stuck to me, so I'm going to use my pokey tool. And I'm just going to put a few here and there. I think that is enough, as good as a feast. So there you've got berry burst, and here you've got pretty peacock. So you can tell me which version you prefer. Let me know in the comments below. I love to read your comments. So thank you again. If you want more information about the project, the supply list, the measurement, it's all on the blog post on my website, and you'll find the links there to all my social media. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!